Hello students, let's come back to the lecture number 4 in random variable. So now we'll see two more questions in this random variable. Then you will understand properly what type of questions will be given in the exam hall in a random variable. Okay? Right. So now let's read the question. Let capital X denote the sum of the two numbers that appear when a pair of fair die is tossed. Determine the number 1 distribution function, number 2 mean, and number 3 variance. Okay, so these three answers we have to find. So before finding these answers, let's understand once again what is mean by the x. X denote the sum of the two numbers that appear when a pair of pair die is tossed. So I'm having two dice, yes. So those dice I'm throwing it. So when I'm throwing two dice, what are the possible outcomes and how many possible outcomes I will get it? Tell me. We are getting 36 possible outcomes when throwing two dice. Can you can you guess what are those? Right, we'll see now. See, these are the possible outcomes I'm going to getting when throwing two dice. So the first possible outcome 1 comma 1, next possible outcome 1 comma 2, and similarly 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, and 1 comma 6. And let's continue 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. See, these are the possible outcomes I will get when throwing two dice together. Okay, right. So now we are understand what are the possible outcomes. Now let's talk about the question. So in this question, what is asking? Tell me. X denote X denotes the sum of two numbers that appear when a pair of die is thrown. See, this is the first possible outcome, right? See, in this first possible outcome, I'm getting 1 comma 1, right? So if I am adding these two, then what is the value? 2. Yes or no? And this is the second possible outcome. So adding these two, then how much you are getting? 3, right? So 3. And this is the next possible outcome. Then adding by adding these two, we are getting 4, right? So 4. And similarly 1 comma 5 is 6, and before that 1 comma 4 is 5, 1 comma 5 is 6, and 2 comma 1 is 3, right? 2 comma 2 4, 2 comma 3 5, and 2 comma 4 6, 2 comma 5 is 7, 2 comma 6 is 8. Next 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6 9, and similarly 10, 11, and 12. See, these are the values of x. Why? How did I say? Here x is saying that sum of two dice. Okay, x is saying that sum of two dice. These are the possible outcomes, right? So every possible outcome I'm adding. So by adding every possible outcome, see, this is the last possible outcome, right? 6 plus 6 become a 12. Yes or no? So what is the conclusion? Here x denoting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, right. Now I'm going to writing the probability of every random variable. Okay, I'm going to writing the probability of every random variable. Right. Now, when I will get sum is 2, tell me, there is only one chance. What is the chance? Only this is the one, right? 1 comma 1 is a chance to getting sum is 2. Then what is the probability? I'm getting this 2 only once out of 36 times. Okay, right. Now getting sum is 3. Getting sum is 3. How many times I'm getting? There is a one chance, 1 comma 2, and one more chance is 2 comma 1. Yes, there are two chances. So then what is the probability? 2 by 36. And similarly, getting sum is 4. What are the chances? 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 1. See, there are 3 chances are there to getting sum is 4. So probability 3 by 36. And next, getting sum is 5. What are the chances to getting sum is 5? 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, and 3 comma 2, and last 4 comma 1. See, 1 2 3 4. There are 4 chances are we have to get sum is 5. So I can denote it as 4 by 36. How did I written? We know the basic probability definition: favorable event by total number of events. Right? Yes or no? So like that. So now getting sum is 6. So there is a chance 1 comma 5, and next 2 comma 4, and next 3 comma 3, and next 4 comma 2, and 5 comma 1. See how many chances I'm having to getting sum is 6. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 by 36. And similarly, getting sum is 7. How many chances are there? Sum is 7. So 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 1. How many chances I'm having? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 chances, 6 by 36. Similarly, getting sum is 8. So what are the chances I'm having to getting sum is 8? Tell me. So with 1 will I get? No. With 2 will I get sum is 8? Yes. See, with 2 comma 6 I will get sum is 8. Next chances 3 comma 5, and next 4 comma 4, next 5 comma 3, and next 6 comma 2. How many chances I'm having? 1 2 3 4 5 chances. So what is the probability? 5 by 36. So if you continue like this, we are getting for 9, getting sum is 9 is 4 by 36. And similarly 10, we are getting 3 by 36. And 11 we are getting 2 times, 2 by 36. 12 we are getting only one chance, 6 by 6 comma 6. Yes. So then what is the probability? 1 by 36. Is it okay, everyone? See, these are the chances we are getting. Sum is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. So now this table we will call it as distribution function. Okay. Now we can call it this table as a distribution function. So okay. Right. So now I'm going to find the first answer. So what is the first answer? I mean second answer I'm going to find it. Mean. right? And we know which will be denoted as nu. So what is the formula of mean? Last class we seen, in the last lecture we seen. What is that? Summation pi into xi. Probability into random variable. What does it mean by sum? Summation. We are adding the terms. Okay. So 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36 plus 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 4 by 36 plus 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36 plus 8 into 5 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36 plus 10 into 3 by 36 plus 11 into 2 by 36 plus 12 into 1 by 36. Okay. Now, so by multiplying with 2, I will multiply with 2 here, with 3 here, with 4 here, with 5, and with 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, and with 11 here, and with 11, with 12 here. So by multiplying these all, and after that I will add all the terms. So by adding all the terms, what is the value I will get it? Tell me. So you can find easily with the calculus, right? Am I right? Yes. Right. So by adding these all, we are getting 252 by 36. Okay. So by 36 table, we are getting E of x equal to, or we can also denote as nu, right? So which will be the 7. Okay. Now we are going to find the third answer is variance. Okay. So what is the formula of variance? Variance, and which will be denoted by sigma square, or we can also denote it as E of x square, and the formula is summation xi square into pi minus nu square. Summation xi square into pi minus nu square. So which is nothing but we are making a square to the random variables, right? And then will be multiplied with the probabilities. So what will happen? Sigma square equal to, see in the last page, x values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So I'm making it as squares. So 2 square into probability. So what is the probability at the place of 2? 1 by 36 plus 3 square into probability is 2 by 36 plus 4 square into probability 3 by 36. Similarly, 5 square into 4 by 36 and 6 square into 5 by 36 plus 7 square into 6 by 36. Let's see once. See, 7 square into 3, 6 by 36. Later on, 8 square into 5 by 36. 8 square into 5 by 36 plus 9 square into 4 by 36 plus 10 square into 3 by 36 plus 11 square into 2 by 36 plus 12 square into 1 by 36. Right. So now what I am going to do? I am adding these all the values. So then by adding all the values, what is the value I will get it? Tell me. Right. So I will get the value 1974 by 36. See, this is the value for summation of xi square into pi, right? So already also having minus nu square. So what is the value of nu in the last page? 7, right? So 7 square means minus 49. So by calculating this, we are getting the value 5.83. See, this is the variance of this given question. Okay, I think everyone is understand, right? So now I'm going to the next question, right? So what is the sixth question? Two dice are thrown. I hope two dice are thrown in the sense we know we are having 36 probabilities. Yes or no? Yes. So and those probabilities, 36 probabilities we see here. See, these are the possible outcomes. Yes or no? Okay. I'll copy this. Right. Let x assign to each point of a comma b in S. The maximum of its numbers, that is x of a comma b equal to maximum of a comma b. Find the probability distribution means table. X is a random variable with x of s equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Also find the mean and variance of the distribution, right? See, what is the given hint in the question? First of all, tell me. Two dice are thrown. So by throwing two dice, what are the possible outcomes I will get it? I will get 36 possible outcomes, right? So can I say these are the possible outcomes and which we seen in the last question, right? And now, what is the next hint to solving the mean and variance? Tell me. Let x assign to each point of a comma b in S. I think we seen in the first lecture, S is nothing but a sample space. What does it mean by the sample space? Outcomes of an experiment keeping in a single set, that set is called a sample space. Yes. Yes or no? Right. So now see, these are the outcomes of the experiment. I'm throwing two dice, right? So that is my experiment. Okay. So x of a comma b is equal to maximum of a comma b. X is saying that maximum of a comma b. So in this first possible outcome, which is a maximum number? 1 is a maximum number, right? And similarly, in the second possible outcome, 1 comma 2, what is the maximum number? 2 is a maximum number. And similarly, here 3 is a maximum number. Here 4 is a maximum number. Here 5 is a maximum number. Here 6 is a maximum number. Here 2 is a maximum number. And here 2 maximum. 3. Here 4. Here 5. Here 6. Here 3. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. So here also 6. So it is nothing but, can I say, x is denoting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, x is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because in this question he asking that maximum of a comma b. So in every outcome, which is a maximum? Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? So here x is denoting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now what are the probabilities for this every random variable, and which will be denoted by p of x, right? Okay. My next question, how many times I will get 1 is maximum. Tell me, how many times I will get 1 is maximum? Maximum of A comma B is 1. So what are the chances to getting 1 is maximum? Only one chance, that is 1 comma 1. Yes or no? How many chances I'm having? Only one chance. So what will be the probability? 1 by 36. Right? 1 by 36. Now similarly, maximum of A comma B is 2. So when I'll get the maximum is 2, and what are the chances to getting maximum is 2? Tell me. There is a chance 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, and also 2 comma 2. See, there are 3 chances are there to getting maximum is 2. Yes or no? So then probability become 3 by 36. And next, getting maximum is 3. What are the chances I will get to getting maximum is 3? One of the chances, 1 comma 3, and similarly 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chances I'm having to getting sum is maximum is 3. So I can write it as 5 by 36. Similarly, getting sum is, now what are the chances to getting maximum is 4? Tell me. 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, right? So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, there are 7 chances we are having to getting maximum is 4. So what is the probability? 7 by 36. And now we'll see getting maximum is 5. What are the chances I'm having to getting maximum is 5? 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, right? See, these are the chances I'm having to getting maximum is 5. Then count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more number. 5 comma 5 is 9. So there are 9 chances. So what is the probability? 9 by 36. Okay. And now getting maximum is 6. What are the chances? 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, and last 6 comma 6. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. See, there are 11 chances I'm having to getting maximum is 6. Okay. See, now I can say this is the probability distribution. I can say this is the probability distribution. So now I got a probability distribution. So later what I have to find? Tell me. Now I have to find mean and variance of the distribution. Yes or no? And I think everyone is seeing how to find a mean and variance. Yes or no? So I'm giving it to you homework. Rest of finding mean and variance. Okay. I hope everyone is clear.